In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ticketing for customer service in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a bustling support team or striving to streamline your workflow, ClickUp offers a powerful way to handle customer service tickets efficiently. By utilizing templates and customizing them to fit your needs, you can ensure your team stays organized, responsive, and on top of every request. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up a ticketing system that works perfectly for your team. To begin, open ClickUp and navigate to your home page. Once you're there, hover your mouse over to your team space where your support team operates. Team spaces are the core of collaboration in ClickUp, so make sure you're in the right one. Next, locate the three dots icon next to your team space name. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select the template option. This feature allows you to access and manage templates for your workspace. Once you've selected templates, click on Browse Template to explore the library of pre-built templates available in ClickUp. At the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar. Type Customer Service into the search bar to filter and locate templates, specifically designed for customer service workflows. Now you'll see a variety of templates that match your search. You can preview any template by clicking on it. This is a great way to check if the template aligns with your team's workflow. Take your time to review a few, and once you find one that suits your needs, click Use Template to start setting it up. When prompted, give your template a clear and recognizable title, such as Customer Service Tickets or Support Desk. This step is important to ensure everyone on your team easily recognizes the purpose of the template. After naming it, you can begin customizing the template to fit your team's unique requirements. Edit fields, add new statuses, or set up automations to streamline your process. For example, you might want to add custom statuses for different ticket stages, such as Open, In Progress, or Resolved. Additionally, you can add tags or use colored statuses to highlight urgent tickets. Take advantage of ClickUp's automation features to assign tickets automatically or tag priority requests based on specific conditions. These enhancements will save time and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've finalized your adjustments, click Use Template again to fully implement it into your team space. At this point, your template is live, and your support team can start using it. Be sure to inform your team about any changes you've made to the template, including updates to status names, ticket categories, or any new processes. This step is essential to maintain consistency and ensure everyone is aligned. Before fully rolling out the system, test your setup by creating a few sample tickets. This will help you confirm that everything functions as intended. Make adjustments as needed to optimize the workflow further. As your team begins using the system, monitor how it performs and continue refining the template over time to meet evolving needs. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started. ClickUp offers a comprehensive and customizable platform to manage your team's tasks and projects, making it an ideal choice for customer service operations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.